Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. We ended the year 2023 with a bang, and we had some amazing releases. And because December is always kind of a little crazy with shopping and holidays and just everything, I thought it would be a good idea to have an overall view of all of the items that we did in December, because you know what? I do not want you to miss out on any of them. Are you ready? Let's jump in. We first, and let me find it, we first had our double banner Fold It. Now this banner is part of our Fold It Club, so once it's out of the Fold It Club month, boom, you're gonna miss out. So make sure you got in on that, because it also comes with 2 stencils and a freebie. Next, we released our Stamp and Die Hard Club, and look at those amazing strawberries. Good enough to eat. Let me tell you, we also had add-on sets, which were awesome because we had those solid stamps for those of you that don't like to color, and my Stamp and Die Hard Club members got that awesome stencil to color these in, which is even more amazing. There are a few left. So if you join the Stamp or Die Hard Club, not only will you get the free gifts for joining, but you will get that stencil if you hurry, because it's almost gone. So fun. We also released our beautiful Heart Doily folded card, which is just so absolutely stunning. And we released lots and lots of more words, perfect for backgrounds like this, and all of your strawberry, chocolate covered strawberry cards. So fun. Then, oh, here's some more. We had also that fun plate. You could call it a cake plate, a strawberry plate, you call it whatever you want, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Especially on that beautiful fun sprinkles background, which is really fun. We also released another gatefold, and you guys, I know how much you love the gatefolds. We almost love them as much as our folded cards, right? They're up there pretty high because they are so fun and you get so much with them. You're getting that big word die set. You're getting this fun panel that fits on all of our gatefold panels. And isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love it. We also released our fun heart oval set, which is really fun because we also gave you the heart dies separately, so you could add them to make them different colors if you wanted to. And look how beautiful it looks on the black and the white. We had our fun love slimline, so add this to your Tribe background slimline collection. We have the Merry Christmas, we have the fall, we have the Halloween, we have the 4th of July, we have the basic, which is a must-have. The basic is a must-have. Then you can intertwine and you can change and you can mix and match all of these fun things. They remind me of those Barbie things. I don't even remember back when I was a kid where you'd use your colored pencil and you could change the head and the outfit and then the bottom of their outfit, and you could change it. That's what these are like, because you get to mix and match and change them. You could use any of the heads and any of the feet that you want to make them really fun. Then we had the Mandala. Now, I told you not to buy it, but a lot of you went crazy with this one because let me tell you, it is so much fun. Yes, you want the stamp and the die. The die is perfect to make your own background, or I'm sorry, your own outline stickers, and then you get to color them, and they're so much fun. But then look at this, look at the stamp in the background here. Isn't that beautiful? It just adds another extra touch, which I absolutely love. Happy birthday on our 5x7 card. We also released our cute little besties. Besties, you know, sometimes you just need a besties card. And 4 epoxy dots, packs of 4 on our red color palette, which I absolutely love because you know what? Sometimes you need them. And I forgot to mention, there's glitter on this one. Just saying. Just saying. Last but not least, we re-released a Happy Birthday Step Up that I designed years ago for the other company. Years ago. I'm thinking it was about 8 years ago, roughly. So if you have the original, do not buy this. Do not buy it. If you don't have the original, now is your chance to grab it, because now is your chance. So it's so cute, and it comes with a cute little cupcake. Whew, what a month. We didn't do as many releases as we usually do because I know we were all busy at the end of December, so it was just better if we stopped on the 15th with our releases, but we had so much fun. Also, my friends, my club members I hope you all used your special little postcards. Remember, the front is a card front, but the back has special information on it. If you did not see those in your club shipments, go get them. Time is running out. Tick tock, tick tock. Just saying. My friends, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being amazing. I get to do this amazing, they call this a job, but really it's not a job. But I tell people it's a job, but it's really not because it's so much fun. But let me just tell you, thank you. We have so much fun at the Stamps of Life. We really are a family. And I just want to say thank you. We've had an amazing year. I hope you had an amazing year. And let's end it on a high note. And you know what? I'll see you soon in 2024. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.